morning, no problem. Share it. You can share.
Yeah, sure. Sir, now?
This is last lab set program. Just you have to send the messages, message driven messages. That's all. We have to use queue. That's all. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. We have not much code also here. Actually,
Sir,
if you tell me
sir, code is there in mail or what, sir?
what code? No,
Okay.
I'll tell you. Just to add, you
Okay.
can add it. Nothing will
Okay,
happen.
sir. Sir,
Go to
now?
services.
Sir.
This
I'll
one server is there, no? Plus
sir.
server. Right click.
Sir.
Start. Again right.
Sir. So 1 minute, sir.
Again
It is
right click.
starting.
No problem. Again right click.
Sir.
Where it is started?
1 second, sir. It is starting now here. Down.
Okay. I hope started now. No problem. Yes. Now again once
Sir,
right click.
started.
View, correct. View domain admin. All of you follow the steps.
Yes, sir.
Yes, click it. Wait.
Sir.
It's working now. Yes. This is what we need.
From morning, get it.
No, after finishing, just to minimize it, don't close it. This one.
Okay, sir.
Because if you are closing yesterday, my server system got stuck. No, like that it will happen.
Okay, sir. Shall I minimize, sir?
No. After process completed.
Okay, status.
Yeah, it will take time. You have to wait 1 minute.
Actually, sir, it is taking default location and password for both XAMPP and NetWin, sir. So in this one command prompt, no, we should change like set a password is equal to null. We should set, sir. Then it will work.
Okay, tell to others also. If your program is working now,
sir.
Then you can tell to others. I hope now your message box also it will work now.
Yeah, sir. Everything is working fine.
Okay, done. You try it out today, so that if it is probably from Thursday, Friday you will be having lab internals.
Okay, sir.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday lab parent teachers meeting. Monday one exam, and Thursday, Friday 2 days.
Sir, third internals is mandatory for everyone.
That now at this moment I cannot say. Try to write it. What is there in that?
Okay, sir.
So that you learn something. No.
Okay, sir.
Especially programmings, you can try it out. Okay, attempt sir. What is there. Even if you get to, if you write 3 questions, 4 questions, also nothing will happen.
Okay, sir.
At least some questions you will get answers now.
Yes, sir.
First time it will take time. Yeah, this one to upload this Glassfish server administration console, because we have to create the one queue message here.
Okay, sir.
It will take time. We have to wait. Yours is i3 or i5?
Sir, i5 Core 4.
No, this one only is taking so much time.
Yes, sir.
First time it will take. Second time onwards, no, it will not take much time, because all configuration should be happen there.
Okay, sir.
What is the spelling for jams you are using there?
Sir?
Jam server, JMS or what?
Jam server.
Okay. What is the spelling?
Jams, sir. JAMS.
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 Okay, here we'll use JMS now.
Okay, sir.
Don't refresh. Don't do anything. Admin console application is loaded. The browser does not refresh the page automatically. Please reload the page. Okay. Local host is what is displaying for you 4848.
Where, sir?
Local host port number
Yeah, sir.
in
4848.
browser
Yeah, sir. 4848.
4848.
Uh,
Okay. Actually, I feel the EJB programs only easy for you. You can finish easily if your system is supporting for you properly.
okay, sir. Sir, they are telling here if the browser does not refresh the page automatically, please reload the page. Sir, shall I refresh? Because they are
Yeah,
telling.
refresh it once. Refresh it.
Sir, for first time it will take this much time or?
This much time did not take my system.
Okay, sir.
For me, take just 1 minute. That's all.
Okay.
Shall I do it in my system only?
Okay, sir. Do.
No, it's taking more time because 1 hour only. No.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, I'll do it in my system. You can try parallelly. If it is coming that one, you can tell me. See, here is we have the projects and we have the services. We have to go for the servers. Here we have Apache Tomcat server also is there and Glassfish server also is there. I'll go for this one. So start first. Yes. Address already in use, JVMI, no problem. Now right click. So you have to click view domain admin console because I have not done any screenshots because already you have done 2 programs. Here just only 1 or 2 setups you have to do it. That one only we are doing here. Now you have to click this one. The server must be running for the action to succeed. So you have to connect MySQL server and come here now and go for the view domain admin code. Server must be running on this action to succeed.
Sir, give okay, sir. For me also it came same.
Huh? Let's see this time, we'll see. Yesterday when I showed it was immediately we got it, no?
Yes, sir.
Directly I'll click, let us see. The server must be running for this action to succeed. Yeah, now it's working. Yes. Because I didn't start my SQL server. No, that was the problem. First we have to start SQL server, then you have to start it. So sometimes automatically it will off my SQL server. So if it is not started, you have to start the server. You got page, Arjun?
Sir, it is still showing loaded, but it is showing the admin console application is loaded. But still running like this.
Yeah. So like this, you have to get it. Yeah. So for me, it took 1 minute only. See. Now login page here, 1 minute it will take, and you will get it. Yeah. So can you able to see the students here? Students, others. So now what you have to do is you have to click this JMS resources. JMS resources. You have to give connection factories here. First one you have to click it. And now already yesterday I have done one program JMSQ. Now I'll create one more now. So here JMS /QUEUE1. So because Q already one is there, so I'll be creating Q1, and here you have to select JMSQ connectivity factory. Second one you have to connect it. And description, if you want, you can add it, otherwise you can leave it. And this is what you have to add it. Now what you have to do is just OK. Okay. So now what you do is go to the destination properties. Again, click this one and destination resources. Click here and go for the JDBC name here. Yeah, see, even if I click it, add property, you have to give the JDBC name here. So here is JMS / destination. Actually, this one I already have given DST1. I'll give one more name. That's all. So here is physical name, you have to give it. So here you give some name, I'll give any, everything to be worked. And resources type, here is just select this one, JMS Q, and OK. Okay, so this is what you have to do the refreshment here. So Q spelling, it is taking the same project only, no problem. We'll use this one only. This is the way of adding. So because it is not taking one more Q1, so only one JMS only is taking. So that one only will take it, no problem. Okay. So that is the way of giving. Actually, you have to click the new one and destination. So this one also, it is taking only one name. Let us see this one. So refresh, well, we get to second one. I don't know whether it will take or not. JMS control factories, one only. So only one will be taken. So because which way I have given, the same way you have to give it, JMS and Q, JMS Q, JMS Q. So this is what here properties you have to do it. Are you getting what I'm saying? So Q program, because spelling Q1, it is not taking only Q, because already I have added, I will use the same code, the same thing only in the Q also, code also. So this one will be using there. So now what you have to do is, you have to go back here and go to the projects, and I have given the project already MDB. I'll give now MDB lab. New, go to the project, Java extension, enterprises applications, same thing only here. Here I'll give EDB lab, MDB lab. MDB lab, I'll give it. So go for next, and these also next. Nothing is there here, operations. Click OK, finish. Right. Now EDB lab, go there. MDB lab. Right. Now this is your MDB lab, and you have the server configuration is this one, and client configuration is this one. Now we'll go for the first server configuration, that is called MDB lab -EJB. Now right click, go to new, and here is you're having the MDB is the MDB, you have to select it. Yeah, message driven Java Bean is there. No, first one only. Are you getting what I'm, your question only, it will be saying MDB. So here also message driven message Bean, you have to take it. So for somewhere, which one you are clicking, that one it will be coming up. So you must, it will be coming down, whatever it may be, you can write it down, this one. Message driven Bean, you have to take it. Just click this. And here you have to give the program name. Program 12 hours. PROG 12. I'll give the name, and package name also you have to give it. So pack PROG 12, PROG 12, pack 12, this one. So now here you have to select the destination here. Oh, destination is coming now, but anyway, I'll take first one only. So here, whatever I have created, I am getting here, but I don't know whether it will work or not, but I'll go for the previous one only. I'll check once whether you got it or not. Anyway, JMS destination, this one only. I'll be taking this one only. Destination one also showing, but probably here it is not showing. Why to take risk that one? I'll go for JMS destination. Right. Now come back here and JMS destination. Just finish now. So only thing is you have to give any package name, but that it will be taken care automatically. Program 12, which program name, file name, you have to give it is AV name. So destination, you select it which one you want. So because we have created queue to send the messages, just finish. Yes. Now program 12 file is created here. See here all the codes is created here now. Now what you have to go do it here, enterprises, program 12 is there. Come back, click here, and this is what your messages code to be written here now. So now just click here. Okay, so now what you have to do is here, you have to write, you have to create one message box here to send the messages. So that one only will write it here now. So already I have written the code. I'll copy and put it that one. MDB. So this one on messages, this one, just I'll write it up to here only. Try catch messages. Now you are getting some error here. So system.out.println, just click here. What message you are getting? See here, unsupported exception, this one JMS. Try catch without finally, control this one. Right. Now try to catch also. Should come here, adding, not coming here, book point. Okay, no problem. We'll add it here. We have given program 12. So that error, breaking messages, leave it now, no error. So without try catch, if you write also problem. So what I have done here is one created one text box messages TM, this one. So that is called the message system.out.println tm.getText. Whatever you are sending the message from the client, that it will be displaying here. So here is catch is nothing but what, logger get logger of 12.class get name. So error, if you are not getting anything here, that it will be showing the error. So that is what here, only this much code to be added in your server side. Server side is, these are all the two messages, try catch method, you have to add it, that's all. Just now save the program. Now what you do is go back to again here, client side. So now your client side is, you have to create one index.jsp file, and another one is called the servlet program. So now JSP program, go to the web and index.jsp is there. Here only you can type it to take one text box and one submit button. So already I have created in this submit button and text box. I'll copy the same thing from there. So here form.action, this one I'll copy there, we'll put it there, index.jsp. So here is nothing but form is equal to servlet, method is equal to post. Have done, enter the message, input type is equal to text, name is equal to MSG message, and value is equal to this one. So here is input type is equal to submit, value is equal to submit. So just that's what I have taken. Now you can copy this and go to the source package and create one servlet program. So just that is the best method. Oh, servlet already it is cancel here, and here MDB lab I have to select because I have selected other one, MDB lab source package. Here I have to create it, new servlet and servlet. Next. So everything whatever you are given there, automatically it will be taken there. Just click finish. That's it. Now servlet program is nothing but you have to add one more function here. See here. So resources manager, JMS, destination, all these things it will be coming automatically. So how to get it that one automatically is nothing but now come here, servlet HTTP. After this class, come here and select, right click, insert code, and here is you have the send JMS message. See here you have email options automatically. Those are doing business, they will be sending the messages also. No, that one only here. So they will be adding the emails and sending this one. So ours is send JMS. JMS messages we have taken. We have click this one. And here is yours is the program number 12, message driven, and server destination is this one, and connectivity factor is nothing but JMS destination 1 factory it is taking. Right. So I'll be taken destination 1 only. Right. So now click OK. So here you have two destinations. One is destination 1 also it is taking, destination also is taking. I'll take destination 1 only. Right. So now click OK. That's what you will be getting. Now code here, you have to add it this here. So now add it here. JMSQ it is showing here, but there it is taking JMS DST1. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Code will write it first. So servlet code is nothing but only simple here. Right. So here is so try catch request dot this much only you have to take it in protect request class. So what I have to do is string str1 request.get parameter, whatever you have taken from the index.jsp. Here message I have taken, that only here you are taking. That is what this one. Next is out.println. This is your max str. So whatever you are typing, this one has been sent to the server. Has been sent to the server to check the logs. So that is what you have to write it here now. So this is what the code to be written in this. Try also it will be there, and catch also. So catch I have not written anything. System.out.println you can write it E. So otherwise you can leave it, no problem. So save the program. Now, so go to the MDB lab, deploy this. Build successful. Now you have to run the program. So MDB, run the program. Enter the message. I'll type it AJP programming and submit it. So here is servlet method post. This is okay, and servlet. This is the file name. Map name is equal to Q destination dist. So this is what okay. I'll delete it and add it once again. Insert the code. Right. So once again, deploy and run it. This is my lab program. Just submit. So this is your message. This is my lab program has been sent to the server log for this one. So whatever you are typing, this is my lab program is nothing but this is the your message. So that is nothing but the text message, whatever you have typed there, that one. And after clicking that, this is my lab program I have typed, has been sent to the server checking for the logs. So that is what the will be happening. This is the way of sending the business people automatically the messages, or what is that called, emails, all these things. So email option is next one more option is there, that is anyway is not there in our syllabus, that you can check it out later. So this is what the way of executing. So now only thing is here servers, and right click this one, and here is nothing but the view domain name. So that one only you have to enter the names. I have closed it, that is the problem. 1 second, you will get it again. View domain, this one, yeah. So JMS resources and connection factories. See, now it is visible, JMS Q1, and one more is destination. So this is what the will be happening. See, two names, destination 1 and destination Q1. So which one we want, we can take it now. It is visible now. So this is what the way of working the this one. So Q1, Q2. Once it is closed and open it, you will be getting the refreshment will be happening. Here refreshment it will not happen. So I thought it will not create. It will be creating destination 1 and this one. So this is what the way of working the this one. So you can check for the destination 1 also. You can try for the destination 1 also. So this is what your MDB programs, and run the, once again I'll run it. Right. So enter your message is nothing but this is here. So now I'll type it lab program 12, submit. So lab 12 has been sent to the server, check for the logs. So if there is no errors, you'll be getting like this. This is what the way of doing the creating the messages and doing this one. Simple way here, this one only important now. So JDBC, JMS resources, this one. So first one is nothing but what you are giving the names, this one. What you have given, JMS Q1, JMS Q1, and another one is called the destination. So destination is nothing but this one. So you can take either this or this. So correspondingly you take it. Don't create too many. One only you create it and try to execute it. So otherwise what will happen, you will be getting the confusion. Okay, now so this code I will send it to you people. Where to be added, that one you should know that. So servlet program, only this to be added within all these things. So that you delete remaining everything, out.println and all these things, delete it, try and catch exception. Even exception you can write it here, system.out.println e. So instead of keeping that one, you can write it. This is what your code you have written here. You can snapshot, processing, requesting, HTML. This one, this is what here you are writing the code in servlet program. You can take snapshot, and JSP is nothing but index.jsp. You will be writing the this one. You can take one more snapshot. This one, this is what you have added in this one message, one text box and one message box. This is what to be added. Next is program number 12. So here is MDB Enterprises Bean. You have to take it this try catch methods. This is what they will be happening. Actually, catch exception you will get it automatically. Also right click and click this one. You will get it. You type it only try catch, automatically you will get it. That is what you have to write it. This also you can take one snapshot. So these are all the lines to be added in your program. First one, this is what one. Server side, client side is index creating one text box, and server side is you have to add MDB messages and you have to add it. That's all. Okay, any doubt now? Can you able to do it? Now I'll show you the code also here. Even this website, you can check it out. If you have any errors, they've given very clearly. And employees, oh, still have not copied it here code. Okay, I'll copy and I'll send it today. I've not copied it here. I'll copy and I'll send it. Okay, Arjun, can you do it now?
Sir, but it's still loading on this, sir.
No, that is what your system problems. What I should do now? At least one system, if it is others, if you try it out, you can take it. Bhargavi?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your system?
Sir, I'm doing, sir, but it's loading only, sir, still now.
Yours also loading only?
Yes, sir.
I don't know about what's happening now. Shall we tell to connect to Shashi? 2 minutes, let him understand.
Sir,
Arjun?
what if? Yes,
Huh?
sir. Okay, sir. Sir, what if this carries to exam, sir? Like second internals. What if this same situation carries to second internals, sir?
No. Unless you practice, we cannot give these programs. Don't worry.
Yeah, because sir, like these are the software problems, sir, for our systems.
Correct. You don't worry that one. Because of that one only timetable still we didn't announce it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Then connect to
Because of
Shashi,
this
sir.
only. Shall we? 1 second. I'll call Shashi to connect it. Benita is there.
Yes, sir.
What about yours?
Sir, even I am getting the same problem, sir. The softwares are not supporting.
No. What I thought is actually this is easy programs. No, instead of other programs, you have to write more code there. You can get more marks. I thought this one. If 3 programs problems.
But we are not able to run now, sir.
1 second. I'll call. This is not lifting. What to do now? Arjun?
Yeah, sir. Like, sir, actually, it is problem of software, sir. Like, for everyone, it is not working. Not only for me. Like,
Correct.
I tried every level, sir. Like, I uninstalled three times everything from yesterday night. I'm doing.
No. What I'm saying is, what about mine?
Sir?
You have uninstalled. No. This one, Jam server, all those things.
Sir, everything I uninstalled and properly again, even XAMPP and these things like NetBeans and MySQL newly installed, sir. Morning, everything.
No, you should have not installed Jump and Web 2 days.
No, sir. That things I never installed.
That's what I told you. No, at least whether it will work or not, we should have checked it out.
Sir, yesterday, like Shashi sir, no, he tried every level. So he told like, yeah, you can last try, you try with uninstallation.
No, Baba. What I'm saying is what I told you also. Without Jam sir, whatever he told, no. So anyway, firstly you have done it.
Sir.
You should have tried it. Right. So anyway, another 2 slides are there. I'll finish it off this. EJP proxy we have done. Business interface sessions. So that's what we are creating, the whatever the business, that is nothing but the server side, whatever we are doing. This one also I told you EJP remote, how it will be working, annotations, this one. And next is connection interfaces, the session beans. That's what today's class. Correct? No. Session beans of the how to give the connection session beans. So that is nothing but the, I already have told you how to give the session beans also. So just go here. MDB lab, MDB lab, MDB lab, MDB. Server side EJB, right. So here, right click and select this one, message driven beans. This one only we have to click it. So enter this one, whatever you are giving the project name, and the source packages, locations is nothing but anyway we are not doing, and packages. Once you give these names and go ahead, this one. This one only session bean for the message driven bags. That one only, that slides. Says this one only. So legally view the defined by EJB 2.x specification. It has been left in a place for backward comfortability with the order clients, and its details the EJB 3.1. So that it means what? The component of the interface is also known as a local or remote interfaces contracted with the business interfaces, which are called the business local or business logic. So how we are doing the business is nothing but EJB in this one is when you are sending, when you want to send the bulk informations also, we can send it. So whatever we are getting the mobiles, sometimes whatever we are doing the operations, after that we are getting. So sometimes we'll do it one transaction morning, sometimes we'll get evening also, because of the messages bulk images one by one, because whatever we have created called the queue, all these things it will be dumped there, then it will be moving one by one. All these things it is obtained the method for the host of the interfaces. Whatever your indexing phase, that is nothing but the post servlet that programs, that it will be sending the messages to all, how many people, how many you want, how many messages, all these things. So next is endpoint interfaces session beans. So endpoint interface define the business methods that can be accessed from the applications outside the EJB containers. So business, some of the sessions interfaces from the outside the interfaces. So whatever they're sending the messages and it is outside the interfaces, that it will be endpoint interfaces is based on the Java APIs for XML RPC, and it is designated to adhere to the SOAP and WSDL standards. That is what will be happening to this. Now messages interfaces driven MDIs. So this is nothing but the message driven action, this one. So whatever you are writing here, codes, servlet programs, acknowledgement. So active conflict and the properties names and message driven map. So this is what the codes, how to write it, this one, how you are getting interacted from that one. So automatically you will be getting. So this one is nothing but the mapping when you are sending the messages to the server, that it will be sent to the queues. That is what the acknowledgement, destination type, all these things. So this is what the code of the JMX queues, automatically it will be created. So we are not doing any operations for this. So just we are adding the some of the messages and we are writing this one, that's all. Okay, so this is what will be happening to this one. Only this we are adding. Destination factory is this one. So that also I told you, you have to add the insert code and you will be getting, because once it is inserted, it is not coming this one insert code. So that's what over. So that is what the will be happening. So that is what the this one. Now here is naming the conversions EJB. You have the ticket processing being ticket processing, remote business, all these things. With the local business is nothing but ticket processing, local business, remote home interface. You have local home interface, remote component interface, local component interface. All these things will be there. This is what the end of the 5th chapter. Okay, now only the problem is with your softwares. That is what you have to rectify it. What my suggestion is, once it is uninstall Arjun, you can try it out because you are doing bit fast. So only thing is uninstall only Java software, you install it. You try to practice the programs. If it is working, then what best we can do it, we can do it. Otherwise, this 4 programs means only 4 programs will be there. That's all to conduct the second internal test. That will do it. But anyway, prepare for the remaining questions. So let us see what will happen. So anyway, my job is completed. Mine is working because I have also taken from the Seshi only and I have done it. So what is that? Arjun, MySQL connector, this one, MySQL only you have installed, no, this one only, no?
Sir, adane.
Huh?
Yes, sir, same.
Is it install madirodu?
Sir, same.
Okay. But anyway, SQL connector is to connect the database. That is anyway not required for here now. Okay. So can you share now? You will see that one. MySQL you are getting properly.
Yeah, sir, everything I'm getting properly except that.
You can share it.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Can you give me 5 minutes? My delivery person came, Amazon.
No problem. By the time I will take attendance, no problem. Answer attendance 1.
Yes, sir.
2. 3.
Present, sir.
4. Next, continue.
4 yes, sir.
5 present, sir.
6 present, sir.
8.
6 present,
9.
sir.
7.
Present, sir.
Arjun present. Okay. Next 8.
9 present, sir.
10.
11 present, sir.
Next
12
continue.
present, sir.
13 present,
12
sir.
present, sir.
13 present, sir.
14 present, sir.
16 present, sir.
17 present, sir.
18 present, sir.
19 present, sir. 20 present, sir.
21.
21 present, sir.
22.
23
22.
present, sir.
24.
25 present, sir.
26 present, sir.
27.
7, sir.
28.
28 present, sir.
29. 30. 3D series. 2.
PD series 2 present, sir.
3 present, sir.
4
Right, 4.
present, sir.
5 present, sir.
6 present, sir.
7 present, sir.
8 present, sir.
9.
ಸರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್?
9 ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 minutes ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆನ್
on 5 minutes madam. I'm taking attendance, that's all.
ಓಕೆ
9, 10, 11.
Yes, sir. Present, sir. 12
11,
present, sir.
12,
13 present, sir. Sir, 11 present, sir.
Okay. 13.
12 present. 13 present, sir.
14,
14 present, sir.
14,
16
16,
present, sir.
17,
17 present, sir. Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Present, sir.
21,
21 present, sir.
22
20
present,
absent,
sir.
20 absent,
Sir, 20 present,
20.
sir.
What?
19 present, sir.
Hey, you
22
tell
present, sir.
after next day. 22, 23. Okay, ma.